The Honor 500 series just made its first real-world appearance, and it happened in the most unexpected place. Olympic diving champion Chen Yuxi surprised everyone at the 15th National Games of China when she pulled out an unreleased Honor smartphone during her gold medal moment. That moment not only went viral, but also gave us our first ever look at the upcoming Honor 500 lineup. Let's break down everything we know: design, specs, camera, chipset, and what makes this series so exciting. From the footage shared by Honor's R&D engineer A Yong, the Honor 500 features a fresh horizontal camera layout that instantly reminds us of the iPhone Air. But unlike Apple's setup, Honor's design uses a unique runway-style camera module, confirming what we saw in earlier leaks. The standard model comes with a dual camera, while the Honor 500 Pro bumps it up to a triple camera system, designed for serious photography lovers. Honor is clearly going all in on mobile photography. According to reports, both models feature a 200-megapixel main sensor and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, while the Pro version adds a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens for long-range zoom shots. Photography influencer Derreck Zhang even shared 4K motion photo samples taken on the Honor 500 Pro, showcasing a brand new break-the-frame live effect. This creative mode captures radiant, fiery moments, blending motion and light for cinematic results inspired by e-culture aesthetics. Under the hood, things are getting even more exciting. The Honor 500 is tipped to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, while the Honor 500 Pro could feature the top-tier Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, offering flagship-level performance. And here's the kicker. Both devices may pack an 8,000 mAh battery with up to 100-watt fast charging, and the Pro model could even support 50-watt wireless charging. That means longer gaming sessions, smoother multitasking, and all-day battery endurance powered by Honor's Phantom Engine 3.0. The display also gets major upgrades: a 6.55-inch OLED panel, 1.5K resolution, and a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Both models are said to feature IP68/69 water and dust resistance, dual stereo speakers, infrared, NFC, and will run on MagicOS 10 based on Android 16. The Honor 500 series has already passed network certification and is expected to launch later this month in China, speculated to be on November 24th. With its bold design, flagship specs, and camera system rivaling premium flagships, Honor looks ready to make a serious statement. So what do you think? Could the Honor 500 Pro become the new mid-range photography king? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.